hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sayukta and welcome to an episode of Ask Sayukta where I answer your questions. This is my version of a podcast because I feel like ऐसे भी podcast I don't have the ethic to work for it, and also I don't feel anyone will watch a podcast of mine. So I was like, fine, I will do all the talking I want in a Q&A video. So I asked you people for questions and now I am going to answer them. Who is a true friend? ये देखो यार, when you are happy, there will be multiple people who will be happy with you. So it's your birthday or you're succeeding in life or celebration ke time pe, there will be a lot of people who will be there. But I feel a true friend is someone who will be there when you are sad and who will be sad for your sadness. I feel a true friend is someone who genuinely cares about you, and when you are sad they are sad and it affects them. And किसी और के दुख में I feel दुखी होना is again like it's just very rare and like yeah, so I think that's a true friend. Do you judge people who wear makeup? Actually, no, not at all. But I have a little story or whatever. So when I was younger, I've heard so many times where people who don't wear makeup would flex ki we don't wear makeup. They're like, oh yeah, I don't even know how to do makeup. I don't even wear makeup, and like I just like I can't do it. It's too much. And somewhere they felt that they were superior to those who wore makeup in a way just because they didn't wear makeup. And now that I think of it, I'm like, that doesn't make sense at all. Not that I ever judged people who wore makeup because I didn't even think about it much, but it was like a conditioning as a child where people around me in my school and like stuff like that would be like, you know, sort of looking down at people who wear makeup, and it was so messed up. But yeah, no, I don't judge that. In fact, I actually enjoy like applying makeup a lot, and recently मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सीखा है makeup लगाना. पहले मुझे ढंग से सच में नहीं आता था. Thanks to my roommate, she does the world's best makeup, I feel. Do you believe in ghosts? If yes, then tell us a story. I don't believe in ghosts, but also I'm very scared of ghosts. I'll explain. So, fun story. I think this was my 12th का psychology का board exam, and if you don't know me, मैं बहुत फट्टू इंसान हूँ, so मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. So I remember it was my psychology exam the next day, and I was so scared because I hadn't studied, or maybe it was my pre-board or something. Like it wasn't the main board exams. It was something before that. Okay. And मेरे को इतना डर लग रहा था because I hadn't studied anything for my psychology exam, and it sounds so stupid now that I think of it कि मैं डर क्यों रही थी, but like I was so scared, and it was 2 a.m. something. तो मतलब कि exam is like 4-5 hours and I haven't studied at all, and I was so scared. I remember रात को 2-3 बज रहे थे. I got out of my room and it was pitch dark because घर में मेरे 3 बजे 2-3 बजे कोई नहीं घूमता. So everyone was asleep. Okay, I went out and I am very scared. See, I am very scared is the main bit of the story because मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. So ideally I would have never gone, but I went out, pitch dark, and I was like, you know what? If ghosts exist, today I am giving an open challenge. Come and take me away. And no matter how stupid it sounded, it was true. I actually did that and no one came. Nothing happened. So that's when I realized that ghosts don't exist. Because मैं open challenge दे रही हूँ. Like at least challenge के लिए तो मतलब ego पे तो ले लो, but no. So no, ghosts don't exist is what I feel, but I'm still scared. I don't know why, but I'm still अभी भी मुझे डर लगता है. But so yeah, what's the most underrated movie? There's this movie called Shiv Shastri Balboa, which has Anupam Kher and Neena Gupta in it. Neena Gupta is the star. I love her, and yeah, you should watch that movie. What's your ideal type? I don't think I have an ideal type. For the longest time, I think no. For the longest time, I thought I had one, but then I realized कि नहीं, I don't have an ideal type. Basically, vibe आनी चाहिए इंसान से, and I feel like I'll only get to know what my ideal type is when I meet that person. What is the one thing you will never regret doing in your life? I don't think I regret anything. मैंने अपने लाइफ में सबसे stupid and weird decisions भी बनाए, मुझे उनका भी regret नहीं होता. I feel like because my theory is life में regrets नहीं होने चाहिए. Just do whatever your heart says. हालांकि I've landed in a lot of trouble for that, but like yeah, I'm like I don't regret anything. Someone you regret losing friendship with, and how to know if your friends are your friends? How do I regret losing friendship? See, honestly, एक मैंने ना यही question मुझे मेरे Instagram में Q&A में मिला था, and I had answered it where I feel like every person is a mirror or something I had answered. I don't remember. It was a really good quote actually. Find the quote. 1 second. Every person you meet is either a mirror, a lesson, or a blessing. So I don't regret losing a friendship. I do miss a friendship. So basically, a few months ago, I made a friend, and amazing girl, like one of the best people I've met in life, I would say. Now we don't talk because of external circumstances and situations, but yeah, so I don't regret like losing friendship with her because I am very happy that I got to know a person like that. So yeah, so I don't regret losing, but maybe her, I am very grateful and I cherish whatever friendship we had. So yeah. And how to know your friends are your friends? Okay, okay, wow, fun fact. This is again similar, one very like same person who told, so she told me once that Sayukta. I remember something was happening and she was like, Sayukta, listen, how do I explain? So basically, now it feels like a podcast where I'm telling you life ka drama and references. So there was this group of people who said something about me. And this girl, I was telling her, and she's like, the people who told you that these people were saying things about you, they're not your friends. And I was like, huh? And they're like, yeah, because if those people were so comfortable saying anything about you in front of them and they didn't stop them, instead they came and told you okay, but they didn't stop them also, it means they're not your friends. So I think a friend is someone who will defend you in rooms you're not in and will be there for you. And yeah, so I think वो चीज़, and they will not listen कि कोई और भी अगर कुछ बता रहा होगा आपके लिए, so they won't be like कि oh you know they were saying this about you. नहीं, they won't listen if you know someone saying anything about you. So I think that's a real friend. Your close friends list must be long. Not really, you know. Actually, my close friends ka list is not very long because I am very picky when it comes to friends. Like I am not someone who thinks that everyone is my friend, and I'm very like, you know, I have a lot of standards when it comes to friendships because मैं ऐसे किसी को भी friend नहीं बुलाती हूँ. If I genuinely mean कि someone is a friend, then I genuinely mean they are a friend. Like I can do stuff for them, I can do anything for them. So yeah, so no, it's not very long. How do you deal with people backbitching about you? Honestly, I don't care. I most often stop talking to them. Most often क्या हमेशा ही. So if I get to know if someone has backbitched about me, I cut off. I don't talk to them. And does it affect me? Honestly, not really. To be very frank, and I'm not trying to be all like, हाँ मुझे तो फर्क, मुझको genuinely नहीं पड़ता. Like if it's someone, okay, if it's someone who's not close to me, तब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं पड़ता. If they were like whatever acquaintance, friend, whatever, and then they backbitch, I feel maybe a little bit bad, but then I'll again remove them. So how do you deal with it? You cut them off. You do not talk to them. And yeah. What's your first period story? Okay, I think okay. So it was in 8th grade. I remember me and my brother, we were playing Subway Surfers, and then my mom comes. And she's like, Bhini, घर पे मेरा नाम भीनी है. So she's like, Bhini, once come. And I was like, fine, I'll go. I went, she's like, oh, I think you've gotten your periods and blood and whatever. And I was like, ऐसा क्या? And then she's like, yeah, go check in the washroom once if there's blood. I went, I was like, what is this? And I came outside and I was like, yes, it is blood. And she was like, okay, you've gotten your period. Here's a pad. This is how you wear it. I started crying. I cried so much that day. I was crying constantly. I was like, nahi, mujhe periods nahi chahiye. Meko periods kyun ho gaye? I was so sad about it. And I was devastated. I don't even know why. It wasn't even itna kuch aisa sad tha nahi. But I was so sad and I was like, mujhe nahi chahiye. And I was like, do not tell anyone. And you promise me, mama, kisi ko nahi bataoge. Ye, wo, sab kuch. And she was like, yeah, I won't tell you. And you relax, you wear this pad and you come out, it's normal and all of this. Shaving or waxing? Shaving. I tried waxing once or twice. Apparently my skin is very sensitive. How did I get to know? The lady waxed my skin and I realized blood is coming. So yeah, it's that sensitive. So I realized skin I went. So I've always been shaving. Then I tried waxing because I was like, oh, everyone waxes. I also want to try. I did it twice. It started bleeding. I was like, never again. So again, shaving. So only shaving. What's the biggest difference between first and second year of college? It's been like almost a month in my second year. I feel like the biggest difference is that first year was very like new and chaotic in my life because you know for the first time you're moving away, for the first time you are meeting so many other people. Also for me, I've been in the same school for like all my life. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर क्लासेस शफल हो जाती थी तो कुछ ना कुछ बच्चे सेम हो जाते थे, घर था तो like society was constant, so a lot of things were constant. So I feel first year was very chaotic for me in the sense that I was meeting new people, I was trying new things. It was the first time that in general a lot of newness was happening. So yeah, and then living alone also, तो मतलब बहुत chaotic था, ऐसे समझ नहीं आता था बड़ा ही. Second year is a lot more calm. I feel like second year I am more aware of things. Like I know कि अच्छा these are the people I can trust. Also first year में क्या होता है, you meet so many new people, so you don't know who's nice, who's not, who do you vibe with, who do you not with, and then like a lot of those things, right? So I think first year for me was more chaotic. It was more exploring new things. Second year is more calm, where I know कि अच्छा these are the people who I can rely on. These are the things what I want, what I don't want to do, because you've tried a lot. So I feel second year is a lot more calmer and at peace. At least I love my second year so much. My roommate is here. What are 5 things that make you happy? I think talking to people I genuinely love makes me very happy. Talking in general also makes me very happy. Eating ice cream and corner house and all of those things make me very happy. Walking really makes me very happy. And also filming videos makes me very happy. Like, genuinely speaking, making, and usme bhi particularly if you ask me, making YouTube videos makes me immensely happy. And I didn't know how much that was till it actually happened one day where I wasn't in a very good mood. Okay, and some drama had happened and I wasn't in the best mood, and I came to my room and my first thought was that what do I want to do? What is one thing which will make me feel happy? And I remember I sat down and I filmed a talking video, and it is up on my YouTube channel. Now, which one? You try telling me. I filmed that video and it made me so happy. So that's when I realized, oh shit, I really enjoy like filming and talking to the camera. That sounds weird. So it's basically what makes me happy, talking in any form. When you're alone in the middle of the night and you can't quite get to sleep, what do you think about? You know, that rarely happens. Like, I don't remember the last time that happened. Because for me, the thing is, jab bhi, and no matter how tired or like fresh awake I am, the moment I hit the pillow, I sleep. I don't have those late tak main jag rahi hu or I stay awake till like 1 or 2, but like when I'm planning on sleeping and when I'm ready to sleep, I sleep. Like, I don't stay awake, नींद नहीं आ रही, ऐसा नहीं होता मेरे साथ, luckily. But again, I think when you're very scared or worried, what do you think about or do to help you feel better? Talk. Yes. I love talking to myself. That makes me very happy.